Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson Vans. Today we're going to take you around this lovely LVR styled top of the range Volkswagen Transporter. This is the 4Motion 4-wheel drive DSG gearbox bi-turbo version, 204 PS. Huge factory spec on it. 5 seats. So it's got the LVR styling kit, which as you can see here, totally revised front bumper, much larger side grills and lower splitter there. Got the gloss black pack with the contrasting matte badge. This one's got factory LED lights, make a huge difference over the standard lights. 20-inch alloy wheels fitted to and 30mm Volkswagen genuine lowering springs. Just makes it look that good bit better. Helps with the ride as well. This one's got sidebars and roof rails, full privacy tints to the side of the vehicle. See the gloss black accents carrying on the wing mirrors and the transporter badge there. This one's got our bespoke premium leather in it. It's caravelle style leather with the MASV embossing, contrast stitch and centre perforations. This one's got the Discover Media navigation system with wireless app connect. Park assist, which essentially is self-park, although the real handy bit of that is having side sensors as well as front and rear. Air conditioning, which is standard, and then heated front seats have been added as an option too. In the rear we've got a 2+1 seating arrangement. So this one levers up, allowing you access to the rear. As you can see, fully carpet lined with a suede lined head lining and 4 LED downlighters. We've got 2 further LED downlighters in the tailgate, so perfect for when you're loading or unloading in the dark. Just lights up the whole area and makes it much more practical. Power latching doors. So as soon as you pull it in, it sucks the back of the door in, just like on a Mercedes with soft close. Moving to the rear, this has got the LVR rear bumper too. So it's got the dummy exhaust tips there with the gloss black lower valance, carbon fibre rear bumper protector. Got your rear sensors there too. All the lights and lenses have been smoked just to fit in with that gloss black pack look. And it does have a rear camera as well, this one. Let's just give you a better look at the carpet lined rear of this vehicle. And also of the tailgate here. Now these LVR kits really do add something to the styling of these transporters, even from the side profile, just those lower gloss black trims at the front and back, really finishing it off. Twin side loading doors, this one as well, so super practical if you've got people coming in and out the back. We've put one of our carbon leather steering wheels on this as well. It might only seem like a minor detail, but when you're driving these day in, day out, just the feeling of that wheel compared to a standard one is hugely improved. Adaptive cruise control as well. And this one has true off-road capability. It's got the Diff lock specified and hill descent control as well. Power folding mirrors and heated washer nozzles finish it off. So huge spec. Obviously a tax efficient vehicle, being a panel van that's been Kombi converted. So there's no ambiguity about whether it qualifies for the VAT reclaim or not. Now we've got different finance packages available on this. either for private and non-VAT registered or for businesses that are VAT registered. And we do take part exchanges. So if you're interested, please do get in touch with us. We'd love to talk to you. Thanks for watching.